You guys, there was like this firework over there, but you can't really tell. It's gonna come any minute. It might come. Ah! We'll do that. What do you want? Well, yeah, we couldn't. We can't. Did you see that? You guys, did you see that?
I didn't fucking see that, Julian.
That was awesome, you guys. Over that. Ting. Oh my gosh. Should we get the closer look?
No.
Nah.
Daddy's up there. Oh man, let me go get my tablet and record.
Hurry, go. You guys see that? Did you guys see that? That was a firework.
That was fucking so bright.
Junior, don't say bad words. You guys, oh my gosh, there's fireworks. Like on over there. Sorry. But there was freaking fireworks. That is amazing. And it's not even the 4th of July. But they're still having fun though. That's good, right? Let's jump. My trampoline. I have trampoline time. Dude, I saw something on the sky. It was like almost like lightning. It was like running really fast. Wait, do you guys see that? 3 o'clock. Just kidding, it's like 12 or 11. Let me check what time. Okay, let's go. It is 10:15 right now. Did you guys see that over there? It was like lightning or something. I hear some more fireworks or something else. Guys, I'm gonna stay right here. I'm gonna sleep for a little. Oh, you want me? Say that. Can't really tell. But there might be a firework. Oh. Baby, you're a firework. My dog is like standing there, but you can't see. But I'm just gonna put like camera. Dang it. It couldn't work. The flashlight. It's like, dang, it doesn't work. When are they people? Are they gonna? Did you guys hear that? It's coming from over there. I can't really see it because I'm on the backyard. I really want to go see. Smells like smoke right now. You guys, don't drive it. What happened? Well, those are awesome. So I'm gonna get up right now. It's been 4 minutes and 4 seconds. Oh, how much time did I sleep? See the sky. I can't really see the sky. So, oh, my tummy hurts. Oh, I feel sick. Let's get up to see some fireworks. So yeah, I'm gonna go up, see if there's any fireworks. I guess not. I think they stopped. So yeah. Maybe I said okay. Maybe. Oh no! Look. Did you guys see that? They didn't quit. They didn't quit. Did you saw that, guys? I'm gonna keep it right there. Dude, did you guys saw that? Oh my gosh. It's not even the 4th of July, but they're having fun though. That's cool. We're not like just out here with our dogs. But it comes up. Dang. I did the floss done. Do you guys hear that? It's like popping sound, like boom, boom. Did you guys saw that? Do you guys think it's about to rain right now? Because it's not even like thundering. It doesn't have to. But I'm still gonna be outside. Sorry, it's just me. Do you guys see that? You like my feet? You like my feet? We have 5 dogs, like 5. I don't know why. But I have 2 girls that are big and 2 girls that are big and 1 is small and 2 little puppies. And they are big, kind of like medium. He's scratching his butt. Dude, like, I think they quit, so I'm just gonna get down. Oh my gosh. I'm going back. If you can see him from right here. Like, almost, kind of. But still, I'm almost there. So this is our backyard. No, but I'm gonna go back inside. So yeah, bye. Like if you liked the video. Comment. And you'll get a shout out from me. And you'll be in the Twink Squad. So yeah. Comment, like, and subscribe. Because, oh my gosh, she wanted to eat the phone. Oh, this is my doggy right here. The white one. That one is my brother's. These 2 are like really cute. So yeah, bye. Like and subscribe and comment down below. So yeah, do it right now. I'll give you a shout out if you follow me in the like app. And yeah, so bye.